Hello everyone. It's time for our party now. I'm going to the party room na. Ito. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Come on! Enjoy the night! Huh? Okay, I'm gonna take the ball. Hey, partner! Enjoy the night! Come on! Enjoy the night! Ay, naiyakan sa partner mo. Sa lang yan. Pagkaya naman. Gano'n ka lang. Oy, come on! Lily, oh! Sa partner. Ay, sit! Hirap, hirap! Ay, oh, sino nagalit na, oh? Halika na, ha? off your shoes. Wala. Wala. Ivy, paburay mukha mo dyan, ha? Walang iya ka. Eh, di upo ka na lang. Come on! It's $50! You can do it! Wow! Wow! A little bit more! Parang wrestler, ah. Take off your socks. Oh my God! Take off your socks.
Take off the socks?
Yes. You can. It's gonna be slippery. See, told you. Careful, Meg. One more. Last try. Ay, oo nga pala. Mataas yung shoes. Kaya lang nakahawakan. Wow! Kami napanlambun nila. Concentrate, Megs. Concentrate. Yeah! Whoa! Kinina mo nga ubi.
You're back near.
Pinagtog. Kinina.
Use your other leg. Wait, usap ako.
My God!
Give up your leg. I got it though.
Patiin mo na kaya, so!
Hindi ka na mag-music.
Kanta tayo na.
Okay, kanta ko.
You ready? Let's sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danica. Happy birthday to you.
Hello guys, hope you like this the second part of my video nitong aming Christmas party. Pasensya na kayo sa itsura ko kasi medyo hindi pa tayo ready humarap sa camera, but anyway, like I said, hope na nagustuhan nyo yung na-share ko sa inyo. Masaya yung aming Christmas party, but that was the day that you know, yung after that is yan ang day na na-accident ako. So look at me, hindi pa ako ready. Look at my hair, disaster pa rin, kaya pasensya na, but at least now nakaka-move na yung aking mga kamay, so I'm good. At least kaya ko nang makapagtrabaho ng pakonti-konti. So anyway, yan lang muna ang mai-share ko sa inyo at this time. At medyo sorry, medyo late ko nang na-upload kasi hindi rin madaling mag-edit. Siyempre, kailangan ayusin ko naman ng konti, but actually, pasensya na muna kayo sa nakayanan ko. So, kasi late na masyado eh. Ano ng month ngayon, ano pa yan eh, December 14. Okay, so anyway, maraming salamat uli sa lahat ng mga nagsusubscribe at magsusubscribe pa. Please, sana wag kayong magsasawa, okay? Paki-share na rin, like, and hit the notification para updated kayo lagi sa aking mga video. Okay, so panibagong buhay ko na naman to. Nakaligtas ako sa aking you know, accident, pero itong kamay ko is limited pa ang mga movement, but the good thing, I'm back to work na ako. Okay, so thank you so much. Hope you like my video. Yung mga friends, nag-enjoy sila lahat, mga family. I'm so happy. Maraming games, maraming present. Okay, so till next again, thank you so much, and hope to see you again next video. Take care everyone. God bless us all. Take care. Bye.